it's Erin here, and recently I uploaded an extreme bedroom makeover video where I show you the entire process of how I got my room to look the way it does now. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure to go check that out. I'll link it somewhere here in this video or in the description box. So yeah, stop this video and go watch that before you continue on with this. So yes, this video is going to be a room tour, and I put the finishing touches to this literally about an hour ago. So it is ready to go. I cleaned it, I organized it, and now it is time to share with you guys what my room looks like. So this is my room at my parents' house, and I've lived here my whole life. I plan on living here for about another year before I move into my own place, but for now this is my space. I made it exactly how my style is now, so I'm really happy with it. Room tour starts now. Alright, welcome to my bedroom. So first of all, I will show you guys kind of an overview of what my room looks like before I go into details, but I am so happy with how it looks right now. It's night and day from what my room looked like before this bedroom makeover. Let's start here in the entryway. So first of all, this is my little light switch, and I really like it because it gives me those ocean vibes. And over here I have an Endless Summer poster signed by Robert August, but not to me, because I picked this up at a garage sale in Huntington Beach, and I put this nice white poster frame. And then over here I've got another poster, just constellations of the zodiac, and it's just a really cool poster. Over here I have a little, what do you call this, coat rack. This is a changing poncho from Slow Tide that I use to change in and out of my wetsuits when I go surfing. And then over here is this really cool surfboard carving out of wood that I got on a recent trip to the Mentawai Islands in Indonesia. It just brings back special memories for me. And then right above it is a framed photo of a recent trip to Hawaii with 3 of my friends. There's me right there, and then there's Kiana, Andy, and Leah. So that was a lot of fun, so I framed that photo. Above my closet, I put some hats for decoration as well as storage. I think it looks really cute up there. Hey guys, I have a ton of shelves. My dad installed these shelves for me when I was younger, and for the longest time I never knew what to do with this space, and I still kind of don't know, like I'm still figuring it all out. But I'll just start over here. I've got a bunch of little knickknacks. This is a little mermaid infuser that my boyfriend got me. I've got so many shelves in my room from all... Focus. I have so many shelves in my room from all of my travels. This is a little sake cup from Japan. And you'll notice that most of the things that I have on my shelves are from my travels. This is a little shell candle that I made. This was from my mom because she knows I love whale sharks. I've got some more shells, big surprise. And this is a bottle of star-shaped sand from Japan. And some more silly knickknacks. My 2 favorite animals, alpacas and whale sharks. These are actually little erasers that I got in Japan as well. And I've got some more shells. This little guy was from a boutique shop I found in Santorini, and I just thought it was so beautiful. And all of these are just more shells. It's pretty ridiculous. Okay, so over here I've got some books. I love to read, and these are just some of the books that I own. Most of them are downstairs in the living room in a kind of library area, but these are my personal favorites. And over here is another shelf. There's me and my boyfriend. This is my perfume collection, and this is a photo of my roommates and my friends from UCSB. Down to the next shelf, I've got some little perfume roll-ons, my Polaroid camera, some miscellaneous things in this little cute pineapple bowl that I thrifted. Over here are some more books that I am reading. My collection of sea glass. I feel like this is very aesthetically pleasing, and I'm trying to make my whole shelves into what's going on here, but it's very difficult. Still haven't figured out the science behind that yet. And I just bought this big basket today to put my camera stuff in. I don't like that it's jutting out of the shelves, so I'm gonna have to figure what to do with that later on. And then over here I've got some more boxes. So in this one I've got a bunch of photos, you know, old Polaroid photos and stuff. And then in here I have some more keepsakes, things from back in the day that I like to keep as memories. In this really cute little sunbum box, I have a bunch of cards that I like to keep. This is a rose that my brother got me for my birthday, and it's a real rose and it's eternal, and so it reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. And then this is a massive conch shell with coral that I found on a beach somewhere. I have a little basket with some swim fins, a hammock, surfboard fins, just a bunch of miscellaneous action gear. In here I keep all of the journals that I've ever kept in my life, and I have one journal for every new year, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I have one from every year since I think 3rd grade. This was my first journal. So it's super fun to look back on what I was writing about as I was growing up. And then in this basket, I've got a bunch of miscellaneous souvenirs from traveling. And then over here is a little hamper with things that I have to take photos or videos of, and that I'm planning on packing for a really big trip that I'm going to in a couple weeks. So stay tuned for all that. So over here is my desk area, and I really love my whale shark mat. This is actually a bath mat that I plan on using in my future place, but for now it's great to sit on. Just got my laptop, and I was the cover girl of Surf Girl calendar for 2020, so that's up there. And then I've got a couple awards that were special to me, and over here as well. And then above my desk I just keep my camera stuff. And then over here I've got a framed photo of myself and 3 of my friends on a boat trip to the Mentawai Island. And then I've also got some succulents. Over here I definitely nailed the more aesthetic vibe. More stuff from my travels, some really cute succulent candles. And if anyone can comment below and tell me what 2 movies that these characters are from, we will be best friends. I kind of did a pattern of succulent vases going on right here. Some cute little things from Japan. A little alpaca my mom got me from Peru, and yeah, there's my trash can. Super exciting. Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of getting bored talking about my shelves, so that is basically what my shelves look like. Over here is my windowsill, and there's my car right there needing a car wash. So these curtains are brand new. They are white cotton, and I also ordered these cute little curtain fasteners from Amazon. Over here on my windowsill, I've just got some air plants. And I love air plants because they're so cute and beautiful, but super easy to take care of because they don't need soil. And you only need to water them like once a week. So they just sit here on my windowsill, taking in that sunlight. Ooh, so this is the softest carpet, and I bought this from HomeGoods for $300, and it was definitely a splurge, but so worth it because it feels so good on my feet when I'm walking around. I've got some hanging plants, and these dream catchers are from Sayulita. Love how beachy they are. And then I've got a couple glass balls, a little mermaid mobile right here. And then on this wall I have a photo board with a bunch of Polaroid photos that I've taken over the years. I'll kind of just show you what they look like. So yeah, these are all just super special memories for me personally. So I like to have them up to remind me how good life is, and it's also a great way to decorate a blank wall. So yeah, that's my little photo wall. And then over here is a painting of a photo of myself in the Alohilani Resort in Waikiki. And actually, one of my really talented followers painted this for me and sent it to me when I was studying at UCSB, and I loved it so much that it is on my walls here. And then I've also got some more hanging plants. This one is really starting to grow long, which I think is really nice. And then this plant I actually got pretty recently. It looks really good here in this corner, I think. And this is my bedside table. I also got these lamps brand new from HomeGoods. And here's another photo of my boyfriend and I. And then in this hamper, it's all of my swimsuits. Actually, that's not true. Not all of them. This is just some of my swimsuits, the ones that I tend to wear the most often, and they just go right there. And then in here, I've got some magazines, my iPad, some room spray, and I also like to keep this thing in here. This was my cover of Santa Barbara magazine, so that's really special for me. I like to keep that there. And here I just have a bunch of sunglasses. Here's my bed. And I am really into stuffed animals. This one is named Mushy, and I've actually had him since 3rd grade. This little guy is an alpaca. His name is Chewy, which is short for Chewbacca. And then over there is a really soft, plushy, huge owl, and I named him Hoot. I got that from my boyfriend. And then I have this little shell hanging ornament thing that I got, I think, in Morro Bay. And I just think it's really pretty and it goes well with my style. Over here is a laundry hamper. This is the other side of my bed, and I really like this area. I just think it's so cute and so me. So this is my other bedside table. This table was actually my mom's, so it's been around for years and years, and I just keep miscellaneous things like jewelry. I organized this and I love the way it looks. And then in here, a little bit less pretty to look at, but just want to show you what's in each of these drawers. Not too much. And then I've got a massive candle. It smells so good. And over here is the bulk of my jewelry, and it's really not super organized. I should probably clean that up a bit. I love the white coral, and it just fits in with the beachy vibe of my room. And then this plant is a new addition. I actually got it at the farmer's market a couple weeks ago. I named it Oki because I saw a lot of plants in these crazy Avatar-esque colors when I was in Okinawa, Japan, so it reminded me of that. So his name is Oki. I am obsessed with these. I actually have 2 more sea creatures, but they're hanging downstairs. But this is my little squid And I got him in Sayulita, Mexico. And I have an air plant hanging out, so it looks like a little squid. And then I've got some glass hearts, also got these in Mexico. And then my boyfriend got me this painting for Christmas from one of my favorite artists. She does really cute cartoon surf-based comics, and I was obsessed with this because it just gave me good vibes. And I have this same longboard and those tan lines, so I just feel like that's me. And then here I've got another hanging plant. This one's special because it has purple leaves and it's really beautiful. So yeah, that's my room so far. Once again, I'm standing on this super cozy carpet. All right, last thing I'm gonna do is show you what's in my closet, and I organize it to the best of my ability, but it's still not perfect. Basically, I've got all my bags and hats up there. I've got some little bags, perfect for the summer and for vacation. And then I have some pouches in here, underwear under here, lingerie, and then in each of these drawers is something like socks and shorts and sweatpants. I've got a yoga mat. And then this thing I actually got for my room at UCSB, but it's so convenient that I decided to just use it for my closet. On the other side of the closet, oh yeah, definitely a bit of a mess, but these are my main clothes. In here I have exclusively Jolin swimsuits because I have so many. So yeah, these are like all the tops. These are all the bottoms, and then over here is all my lap swimming stuff. And I put all of these really cute stickers on here. And what else do I want to show you? Yeah, over here are just some boxes of random things, my freediving fins, things like that. So I think that's everything that I want to show you with my room. I am so happy with the way it looks, and it feels like it's me, which is the most important thing. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!